everyone, welcome back. We are in lesson 38. Today, we are going to learn about the story of the cross. Now, when we talk about our topic, we remember that Jesus Christ who was crucified to give us of our sins. I am going to teach you 4 words that relate to the story. Okay, let's start. The first word is nail. Nail is a noun. Nails are sharp objects used to hang something. Example, in the story, the soldier put nails in Jesus' hands and feet to nail him on the cross. Second word is punishment. Punishment is a noun. Something that is done in order to punish someone or the act of punishing them. For example, Jesus did nothing wrong. He didn't deserve to get punished. Next word is demonstrate. Demonstrate is verb to show or to prove something clearly. For example, Jesus' sacrifice demonstrated his love. Last word is sinner. Sinner is a noun. A sinner is a person who sins. For example, we are sinners who need Jesus to save us. Okay, now repeat after me. Nail. Nail. Punishment. Punishment. Demonstrate. Demonstrate. Sinner. Sinner. Thank you so much. I hope this was helpful. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time. God bless you. Bye bye.